So I'm going to show a quick tip here on how to rip long sheets of plywood if you don't have a table saw, or you're like me and too lazy to go get your table saw, and how to do it here on the ground. So I want to make a rip cut at 24 inches. So I want to cut this thing straight in half. And I've got my saw set to where the blade depth on the blade only sticks out about 2 millimeters past the thickness of the material here. So you can see it's pretty dead on as far as depth. So I know when I run my cut down the line, I'm not going to be chopping down too far below what I have. So underneath here I have a piece of scrap, you can see here, that's going to follow my line. And what I've done is I've clamped a 2x4 here to act as a guide to show you here where I'm going to run my cut. And it's going to keep my saw perfectly straight all the way down. I got a nice straight stud here, brand new material. And it's going to keep my saw straight all the way down. And it's going to give me a great rip cut, and I don't have to buy a fancy track saw or do any special equipment. And the advantage to this is you don't need a fancy bench. The clamps that are on here are actually raising it up off the ground about 1.5 inches on each side, which is nice. And if you didn't have a ramp like I do here with mine, you'd be perfectly good to just put a little piece of scrap in the middle and run your cut. So let me rip it and let's see how we do. So I just finished the rip. I couldn't hold the phone the whole time doing the video. Straight down the middle, perfect. Beautiful cut every single time. Don't need fancy tools for that. So as you can see by using this method, you get a perfectly straight cut every single time. And I just wanted to show this too, because no one ever shows this stuff on YouTube. I take the sacrificial piece of wood. This was from the first cut that I made, so I adjusted my saw blade up just a tiny bit. And this is from the second cut. So that's all you're really going to be grooving down by doing it that way. The sacrificial piece of wood underneath, it could be a 2x4, it could be a piece of old plywood, whatever. It's a safety. Cut it in the lawn, you don't have to worry about anything. But by doing it this way, and these aren't attached down, by the way, these are still loose. By doing it this way, you get a nice even, here you can see both were cut identically with my same methods. They back here, they come here. It's a perfect cut every single time without the use of a track saw or a table saw. So that's how you rip an 8-foot sheet, 4-foot by 8-foot sheet of plywood straight down the middle without using a fancy table saw or a track saw. You can do it with a $50 circular saw at Home Depot and a couple pieces of scrap. So hope this video helped you guys out. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll get you in the next one. Later.